Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Lan channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that you can be a part of this growing family. We are now officially 7,166 subscribers. Konti na lang guys, no? Magsi 7,200 subscribers na tayo. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all. Ang pag-usapan po natin ngayon ay today po is the birthday of Senator Win Gatchalian. Okay, so pag-usapan po natin kung anong background ni Senator Win Gatchalian. 50th birthday na po niya today, no? So happy birthday to you, Senator Win Gatchalian. Mabuhay ka, mabuhay ka. Okay, so ano po no? Chinese po ito no, si Senator Win Gatchalian no. Actually ang ano niya, Sherwin Ping Gatchalian. Kung may ang Chinese may Chinese name ito, no? So pinanganak po ito noong April 6, 1974. So today officially 50th birthday po ni Senator Win Gatchalian, no? So si Win Gatchalian po is a Filipino politician. Swerte nga no? Dahil ang base po nila ay sa Valenzuela City, no? Dati po ano po 'yan, munisipalidad ng Valenzuela 'no. Now, businessman din po ito 'no. Alam naman po natin anak po ito ng Plastic King 'no, na si Gatchalian 'no. So, ito po ay naging senator 'no. Senator po siya mula nung ano pa po 'no, ah, ah, wait lang, wala naman. Okay, naging senator pa po ito mula noong 2016, okay? 2016 naging senator po ito pero naging congressman muna po ito ng Valenzuela City. No, ito po si Win Gatchalian ay miyembro po no ng Nationalist People's Coalition or NPC ni Danding Cojuangco dati yung nasirang namatay na Danding Cojuangco no. Naging representative as what I have said. Naging representative po ito ng 1st District ng Valenzuela from 2001 to 2004. And of course, noong 2013 to 2016. Okay? Yan. Kasi po, noong 2004, naging mayor po ito, no? Yan, naging mayor po ito from 2004 to 2013. Okay? Tapos nung naging 2013 to 2016, tapos naging mayor po, naging senator po ito noong 2016. Okay? Naman, nung in 2001 po ay Gatchalian was elected in the House of Representatives. After one term in Congress, he was elected as a mayor of Valenzuela. No, yon. So ano kasi napakadumi ng Valenzuela dati, no? So because of his expertise, napalinis niya ang Pasig na Pasig Valenzuela, no? So yung sa after Undoy, di ba? He implemented also yung number of education programs. He established yung Valenzuela City School of Mathematics and Science, and then yung tertiary education sila, and among others. Okay? Now, ayun, naging congressman po ito ng 1st District of Valenzuela in 2013. He's returned to the lower house. So Gatchalian tried to implement some of Valenzuela's education reform initiatives, yung HB 5905 or yung Free Higher Education Act, no? Siya pala yung may author noon. No, now nung nanalo po si Gatchalian noong 2016 bilang senador with his campaign around the promise of passing the Free Higher Education Act. So in early 2017, the Senate passed the Free Higher Education Act, which Gatchalian co-authored and co-sponsored. President Rodrigo Roa Duterte signed that measure, and then yung nagkaroon tayo ng into law, yung Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education, yung 10931 in August 2017. Ito po yung batas na dahilan na libre po ang kolehiyo natin. Sa public sa public po, no, wala pong babayaran. In 2022, Gatchalian ran for re-election and was elected to the Senate for his second term, placing fourth in the polls. Kasi magaling naman no? Ang dami pa niyang batas na naipasa, yung murang kuryente, yung electric cooperative, yung Energy Virtual One-Stop Shop Act, yung Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act, and then yung Mobile Number Portability Act. So kung ibig sabihin, kung may globe ka ngayon, no, and then next time around, ayaw mo na, yung after your contract, pwede din naman ipasok yon no, sa Now, ito po ay na-educate sa ang tatay niya po ay si William Gatchalian, yung and then si D. Diwa Ting, no? Parehas pong inchik ito, no? So, eldest po siya sa 4 siblings, included si Kenneth, si Rex, and West. Si Rex and West are known politicians also. So the Gatchalian family is of Chinese descent and identifies as evangelical Christian. And Diwa being a pastor, talaga, and chairman of their own church, Jesus Our Life Ministries in Barangay Maysan, Valenzuela. So Gatchalian finished his elementary and secondary education at Grace Christian High School in 1986 in Quezon City and graduated with a degree in finance and operations management from Boston University. Wow, no? So yun, no, member po siya ng NPC. Naging yung kapatid niya po si Rex ay naging ngayon ay Secretary of Social DSWD. And then of course si West po ay mayor po ng Valenzuela ngayon, no. Nung mayor po siya ng Valenzuela, 9 years po 'yan, no. Kaya yung parang tinator niya po, no, yung sa Marikina, which he once observed for 2 weeks. Nagpunta po siya, nag-observe siya kung anong pong ginagawa nila doon, no. Okay, so he opened government-funded 90 million Linguan Lawang Bato. Wow, galing, no? Tapos ano pa, no? Yung WIN ang education program. So ibig sabihin, ano po siya talaga? So more of education siya. Nung representative siya ng 2013, more of education din siya, no? Okay, and then ay nag-ano rin po siyang batas, yung mga nuisance candidates, ng senator siya until present, marami rin po siyang naisipasang batas. Marami rin po siyang awards, personal awards and Valenzuela also for Valenzuela. Okay, so ito, tingin natin karapat-dapat ito na tumakbo bilang vice presidente, no, sa mga pagdating ng panahon. Actually, in 2022, parang niligawan pa nga niya si Sara Duterte bilang kung pwede siyang maging pangalawang pangulo at pangulo naman si Sara Duterte. Pero tignan po natin, no, pagdating ng araw, baka ito rin ay consider ni Sara Duterte bilang pangalawang pangulo niya. Sige, hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe kaibigan, mag-subscribe ka naman so that we can be able to maintain and sustain this channel. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all.